Hi class 11, let's continue our class. So physics class, right? So far we have done addition, isn't it? So one question is there. So some one of you asks that you don't know 10 alpha equals to how much? Root 3 by 2. So you will not get the answer, isn't it? तिमीले answer पाएन भनेको हैन. So के गर्नु, यो alpha is your angle between the vector a and b, isn't it? Vector a and b. So के गर्नुपर्छ, alpha equals to, just take it here. So it would be 10 inverse root 3 by 2. Okay, in mathematics you will understand. Okay, just तिमीहरू PCB लिनेर just याद राख्नु, angle equals to how much? 10 उता लैजाऊ, inverse law. This is your inverse reciprocal root 3 by 2. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so next today we'll start with subtraction. Okay, subtraction of vectors. Write down subtraction of vectors. So write down subtraction of vectors. Actually subtraction of vector doesn't mean okay यस्तो हुँदैन पनि. Okay, right? What we do, actually we are doing addition there only. Okay, addition नै गर्छौं तर subtraction आउँछ. Okay, so so addition, this one isn't a plus b, isn't it? Yes sir, vector a plus vector b. तर subtraction चाहिँ a vector a minus vector b, this is meaningless. Okay, this will, we don't have to do this one. Okay, यस्तो गर्नु पर्दैन, यसको मिनिङै हुँदैन. ओके, चाहिँ के गर्छ हामी सबट्र्याक्सनको लागि a एडिसन नै गर्छौं तर यसको के गर्छौं नेगेटिभ अफ भेक्टर्स b. ओके, क्लियर? राम्ररी हेर, राम्ररी बुझ, देन यु विल अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड. सो this equals to how much we got? A plus b equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, sorry 2ab cos theta, isn't it? Cos theta, right? यो फर्मुला याद छ ल, cos theta परको के हो, cos theta ल, cos theta बुझ्दैछ? सो यो फर्मुला याद छ भने त्यही गर्छौं हामीले. ओके, सो फर्स्ट let's understand the concept of this one. Okay, so if I have vector a, this is my vector a, and I have vector b as this, isn't it? An angle between them is your theta. Okay, this is a vector b. Then if you subtract this two vector, then what should we do? Negative of vector b, isn't it? So this is your negative, isn't it? Direction change, so b negative, isn't it? So this angle how much? Linear pair, so 180 minus theta, isn't it? 180 minus theta. Okay, अघि त थीटा थियो, सजिलो भएको भएन. सो अब यहाँ के आउँछ हाम्रो cos थीटा अलिकति चेन्ज हुन्छ. ओके, सो a माइनस b लेखौँ अब चाहिँ ल, माइनस b इक्वल्स टु a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. These are magnitude. Okay, clear? So or you can just write magnitude. Okay, so magnitude, clear? Then comes cos, angle between these two how much? 180 minus of theta, right? देख्दैछ. सो यो लेखा साइडमा cos 180 माइनस थीटा कति हुन्छ, माइनस cos थीटा हुन्छ. यो लेखा PCB कलर. ओके, अब म्याथमेटिक्स जसको छ उसले त पढिहाल्छ. ओके, सो डोन्ट वरी, त तिमीहरू जस्ट याद गर न यति चाहिँ फर्मुला. अर्को हुन्छ साइन 180 माइनस थीटा चाहिँ के हुन्छ, प्लस साइन थीटा हुन्छ. ओके, याद गरिराख ल, यो दुईटा फर्मुला फ्रम ट्रिगोनोमेट्री, जस्तो 90 माइनस थीटा कस थीटा यस्तो पढेको थिएन, त्यस्तै खालको. ओके, सो दिस इक्वल्स टु हाउ मच? a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर c this is minus of cos theta, isn't it? So minus into plus, minus 2ab cos theta, isn't it? यसको जग्गामा के लाएँ मैले minus cos theta, so I'll get minus this one. So a minus b equals to this one, isn't it? Okay, or you can say resultant equals to r square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Clear? So concept चाहिँ यहाँसम्म बुझ्यो भने you'll understand other topic. Okay, now let's go to the question. Okay, so फर्मुला कति आयो हाम्रो फर्मुला बुझिन कसरी आयो so now question आउँछ तिम्रोलाई question number 1. Let's see. A car moving towards east with velocity 5 meter per second turns, okay, sharply towards north and continues same speed. Find change in velocity. So change in velocity 9 मा पढेको छ, okay. See how much change in velocity equals to v2 minus v1, isn't it? So let us say पहिला के भन्दैछ solution. पहिला भन्दैछ car moves towards east, isn't it, with a velocity 5 meter per second. Okay, or this is your A, isn't it? Let's say this is your A, and it turns sharply towards north. Okay, so parallelogram याद छ तो tail to tail, so यहाँ जोड्दा हुन्छ, isn't it? This is what actually going, isn't it? But we should know यहाँ गर्नुपर्छ parallelogram, isn't it? Tail to tail, sharp turns towards north, isn't it? So you have to find change in velocity. If I take this as v1, then this as v2. So change in velocity equals to how much? So write down CHANG, change in velocity, or change in velocity equals to how much? v2 minus v1. So v1 should be minus, isn't it? So this इसको minus बनाऊ. So this is your minus, isn't it? यो के भयो? v1 minus, isn't it? So now what happens? So draw parallelogram, you will get the resultant, isn't it? So this is your v2 minus v1, isn't it? So how much? Lekha v2. So r is your resultant, isn't it? This is your resultant, isn't it? So r square equals to v2, sorry, formula के थियो v1 square plus v2 square minus, isn't it, minus 2 v1 v2 cos theta. हेर see cos theta कति छ हाम्रो 90 degree, isn't it? Theta is how much? 90 degree, right? So cos 90 कति हुन्छ? Cos 90 equals to 0, isn't it? Cos 0 1, cos 90 0. So so v1 equals to 5 square plus 5 square, isn't it? Your terms के भयो 0. So how much? This is how much? 25 plus 25. यहाँ माथि गर्छु ल, म देख्दिन ल. So r square equals to how much? 25 plus 25, how much? R square equals to 50. So this is how much? R equals to how much? Root over 50. So how much? How much? L I root 1 of 50 line 225 5 5. So 5 root 2. Now comes the direction, isn't it? East जाँदै थियो उँभो फर्क्यो, isn't it? So what is the direction? This is the direction, isn't it? So कति भयो? North west, isn't it? Direction would be north west. Clear? Direction, you need direction. Okay, so now north west direction. So this is the direction. So next question I'll give you, then you do. Okay, same question, write down. A car with 5 meter per second towards east turns sharply towards, let us say this should be west. Okay, west, and this should be north, and continue with speed, with velocity, with same velocity. If after 5 seconds, okay, find acceleration of the car. After 5 seconds you have to find the acceleration of car. So acceleration equals to how much? v2 minus v1 by t, isn't it? यो लाएर गर v2 minus v1 गर, then in मुनि t लाऊ. So this how much? 5 root 10 divided by 2, right? कति हुन्छ भनौँ? 5 by 5 छ, so 5 root 10 isn't it? अघि आएको एन्सर डिवाइडेड बाई 2 गर, त्यही हुन्छ तिम्रो एन्सर. क्लियर? So now we'll start next very good question. So write down. The sum and difference of a two vectors are same. Find the angle between them. Okay, this question is very important for NEET and everything. Okay, so if the sum and difference of two vectors are same. Okay, find angle between them. So sum and difference, isn't it? So solution, write down. A, vector A plus vector B equals to vector A minus vector B. We cannot write like this. Okay, so के गरौँ? मोड लाऊ. एरो लाउँदामा चाहिँ एउटा होला कुरा ल. सो दुईटाको फर्मुला लाऊ. यो कति हुन्छ? यसो कति हुन्छ? A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB cos थीटा. यो कति हुन्छ? A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर माइनस 2AB cos theta, isn't it? So A square गयो, B square गयो. So हेर, मेरा एंगल कति हुन्छ हेर अब हेर see if I take this as here 2 is common isn't it so or 2ab cos theta यता ल्याऊ plus 2ab cos theta equals to 0 isn't it now these two cancel each other okay cancel गर्दा हुन्छ equals to को so cancel गरिदिउँ ल okay so what happens if a is not equals to 0 b is also not equals to 0 then को चाहिँ 0 हुन्छ cos theta equals to 0 so then cos theta 0 कति बेला हुन्छ cos 90 is नि so theta equals to 90 degree so इक्वल कति बेला हुन्छ जति बेला a र b को बीचमा एंगल चाहिँ कति हुन्छ 90 डिग्री ओके सम र डिफरेन्स सेम हुन्छ ओके त्यति बेला अब हेर है दिस इज योर सम isn't it resulted and this is your difference so between them how much 90 degree clear अर्को आउँछ क्वेशन very important बुक अझ राम्रो बुक पढ्दा हुन्छ ल सिनियरको बुकबाट गर्दा पनि हुन्छ अरू म्याथमेटिक्स हुनेले चाहिँ उसकोमै गर्छ ओके फर्मुलाहरू सो नेक्स्ट 3 vectors okay so there are 3 vectors okay 3 vectors question 3 vectors okay there are 3 vectors okay a plus b plus c equals to 0 okay यो condition देख्छ if a equals to 13 b equals to 5 c equals to let's say 7 find angle between a and b यति बेला के गर्नुपर्छ कुन चाहिँको बीचमा हो कि यो चेन्ज गर्न सक्छौ कि कुन चाहिँको बीचमा खोज्नु पर्छ त्यसलाई राख ओके सो a सल्युसन राइट डाउन वेक्टर a प्लस वेक्टर b इक्वल्स टु यसलाई उता लैजाऊ माइनस c यो के गरे भन्दा नि यिनीहरु दुई जनाको चाहिँ के चाहिन्छ एंगल चाहिन्छ हैन सो यो भएर गर्नुपर्छ सो यसलाई हटाइदेऊ हैन तर भ्यालु सबैको राख ल सो यहाँसम्म बुझ्यो सब हेर a plus b मोड लौ c को मोड लौ isn't it so how much a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta equals to यो कति भयो 7 को मोड 7 हुन्छ ओके minus 7 isn't it so a square how much 13 square plus b 5 square plus 2 into 13 into b 5 into cos theta equals to 7 okay अब के हुन्छ this 2 into 13 into 15 cos theta यता बस्छ उता 7 minus यो गर उता लैजाऊ 13 square plus 5 square okay so now cos theta equals to how much 7 minus 13 square plus 5 square divided by 2 into 13 into sorry this is 5 okay ab the 5 one so 5 so अब हेर now find it यसले पाइहाल्छ एंगल okay so cos theta equals to 7 minus 13 into 13 plus 5 into 5 divided by 2 into 13 into 5 so 5 cancel 13 cancel अब into गरेर लेखा ओके so 7 minus 13 into 5 divided by 2 अब यसको भ्यालु पाएन अरे इजन्ट इट cos को भ्यालु पाएन भने के हुन्छ थीटा इक्वल्स टु हाउ मच cos इन्भर्स यो जति छ भ्यालु 7 minus 13 into 5 divided by 2. So this is your answer. So today this much for today. Subtraction we done, addition done. Okay, vectors we are doing vectors. Okay, so stay safe, stay home. So see you soon. Thank you class.